If you are looking for a convenient, low profile, but sturdy window perch for your kitty, this one by GesomePurrz is amazing. Here you can see what is included in the kit to put this together. I was able to put this together really quickly and easily. The instructions were pretty straightforward. You get a little Allen wrench so that you can tighten all the bolts. Here you see how the actual hammock part of this window perch is applied. And once I'm all done putting this together, you put the suction cups on the bottom. And the trick is to put the bolt in, hold it from the bolt side, and then actually screw in the suction cup to get that tight. This perch also comes with a cleaning cloth for the window and for the suctions, and you just press it where you want it to be. And here you can see how it folds up nicely so that I can put my shades down whenever I need to and not have it be in the way. My cat loves this, and I love it too, and I recommend it 100%.